Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2020 Ford Ranger, stock number 6582. This ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door, no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front kiddo slab, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,